In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install WEBMIN on your Ubuntu server. So WEBMIN basically is a web-based portal, you can say, to manage your Ubuntu server. So let's jump to the computer screen and start the process of installation. Okay, so I have here this Ubuntu server 22.04 and it's installed on VMware. Okay, so step number one, we are going to update and we are going to upgrade. So this process can take a couple of seconds or sometimes couple minutes. I'm gonna pause the video recording. I forgot to type apt upgrade, so it says command not found. So I forgot to type apt in the start. Okay, so the update and upgrade process has completed, and let me show you one thing. So when I logged into this session and I checked, the kernel version was 5.15.0-119, and I think it's updated. So the currently kernel version is this, and okay, so we need to update to the 122, and this is almost updated, but I need to reboot this machine. Okay, but for this video we are going to install the WEBMIN, so we will discuss about that later when I reboot it, and I'll show you that again. Okay, after updating and upgrading, we are going to add the few dependencies, and this is the command for that: apt install software properties, this, and then okay, it's installed already, and then I'm going to add a WEBMIN repository. Add okay, all right, and then hit enter to confirm. Okay, and then after that I will add the GPG key. Once it's updated, it's still reading the lists. Okay, so with this command we are going to download the GPG key, and then after that we will type this command apt install WEBMIN, but this is not going to be work this time. Why? Because we added a new repository. So every time when you add a new repository, you need to update apt update, and then it will add the latest added repositories into this one, and then again let's try it. Okay, legacy trusted. Okay, so yeah, it's showing about the WEBMIN apt install WEBMIN, and it's gonna require 235 MB of additional disk space. You press Y and hit enter. Okay, WEBMIN is installed, so I'm just going to reboot this machine. Okay, the machine is back up. Let's connect to the session. What happened? Okay, so change the user, and then let's check. Okay, so you can see after reboot it's updated to 122. All right, now I'm going to log in into the WEBMIN portal. It's 10.0.0.196 and the port number is 10,000. Okay, let me bring it here. So first time, or not first time, every time you log in to the WEBMIN, it's going to ask you your connection is not private, so you need to proceed unsafe anyway. And then here you're going to put in the username and the password, and if you want to remember this, you can just click on remember me and then sign in. Okay, so this is going to be the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard of WebMin. So here on the main page, you can see the resources, the CPU, real-time memory, virtual memory, and the disk space. And it's going to show you the operating system, the host name, almost everything, whatever you need to learn about your resources or the host name and the operating system, kernel version, and stuff like that. And there are more options as well. Here you need to like dig around, or I can walk you through these all option these all features. You can just comment me below and I will create a complete training video of WebMin. So this video is already, I guess, long, so I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.